Today we're using one of my favorite pieces of equipment in the entire gym, the TRX suspension trainer. What makes the TRX so powerful is that it uses your body weight, your core, and your balance all at the same time. That means every exercise becomes a full body movement and you can make the workout harder or easier simply by changing your angle. Perfect for beginners, perfect for advanced athletes, and a great way to train safely right here at the Long Meadow Farms Fitness Center. First up, we got the tricep extensions. I want you to lean forward, keep your elbows high, and extend your arms out in front of you. Focus on bending only at the elbows, not at the shoulders. This targets the back of your arms and builds tricep strength without putting pressure on your wrists or shoulders. Next is the TRX mid-back row. I want you to walk your feet in, lean back, and pull your chest towards the handles. Keep your elbows close to your sides and squeeze your shoulder blades together. This builds mid-back strength and improves posture, especially if you sit at a desk all day. Now we're stepping into a high row. Elbows come out a little wider, pulling towards your upper chest. This hits your upper back and rear shoulders. Great for balancing out all the pressing movements we do in daily life. Next is one I believe everyone loves, the TRX bicep curls. Keep your elbows lifted, palms facing up, and curl your body towards the handles. The TRX keeps your biceps under constant tension, which is why this variation feels so effective. Now let's flip around for the TRX chest press. Lean into the straps like you're doing a standing push-up. Brace your core, lower with control, and press back up. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps while teaching proper pressing mechanics. Now we're moving into the lower body with TRX squats. Use the straps for balance as you sit back into your hips. This helps you learn proper squat form, especially if you struggle with knee or ankle mobility. And now we'll finish with TRX alternating lunges. Hold the straps for support, take a big step back, drop into your lunge, then switch sides. The TRX lets you control your balance and range of motion, making lunges more comfortable for anyone with joint issues. Now what I want you to do is try 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps for each exercise and adjust the difficulty just by changing your foot position. The TRX is simple, effective, and one of the best tools for building total body strength right here in Long Meadow Farms. Question for you, which TRX exercise is your favorite, or which one do you want to learn next? Let me know in the comments.